An ultimate guide to the different types of agriculture. Agriculture is one of the longest standing industries in the world, has been crucial in the development of our species. As a practice of agriculture has been prevalent across the world for several millennia. There are numerous variations available to farmers. In this article, we look at the different forms of agriculture being practiced by farmers around the planet. Types of agriculture. There are various types of ways to classify the different types of agriculture in practice. These can be divided based on factors such as type of major crops, scale, intensity, livestock varieties, mechanization levels, distribution methods for farm produce. Considering all the classes of variations available, the different types of agriculture can be divided into these popular variations. Nomadic herding. Nomadic herding is a method of rearing animals that realize the use of natural pastures. It is predominantly practiced in regions that have either arid or semi-arid conditions. Farmers that practice nomadic herding are known to be on the move constantly as they search for fresh grazing pastures for their animals. The type of animals reared using this method tend to vary based on the preferences of the farmers and the ecology of the land. Some of the regions that are popular for this practice include Arabia, section of northern Asia, and certain parts of northern Africa. Nomadic herding is also considered to be type of farming that is related to subsistence. This means that this type of farming is meant to produce enough for the farmers and their families as opposed to producing large volumes of different product for the marketplace. Rudimentary sedentary tillage. In this agriculture practice, farmers tend to cultivate crops on the same plot of land for several years or seasons as a stretch. This is an important aspect of rudimentary sedentary tillage as it has a positive impact on the soil fertility of the region. The continuous cultivation of crops on the same plot of land helps to maintain and improve the fertility to the soil over time. This method is predominantly practiced in tropical regions around the world. The most popular crops grown.